A very warm welcome to our Mastermind Champapet branch. Now I'm going to show you the speciality and why you need to join your kid in our school. Now let's go. Our great achievement in the throughout the year in 2023. I'm going to show you guys. So come with me. Our greatest achievement in 2023 is inter-level competition, drawing competition, and you can see the winners over here. So she is the cash prize winner for our school. All of our 4 branches in this, and Shivani is the first cash prize winner, and you can even see Nilesh and Juika. Even there, as we know that pre-primary plays a very major key role in every school. So in our school, what is the speciality is, now we have a very huge measure, which is a wall measure, which will be a safety for the children while playing with each other. Because even though we have a very huge playground, you can see that we have a very huge playground. So our major speciality in our school is Monday math drill. So what is a Monday math drill? Basically, every child, every parent expects a basic maths from every kid, because maths is our future. So basically, if they go to a kirana shop or somewhere, they don't know how much change to bring back. So we will be training them how to do addition, subtraction, multiplication, division and everything, so that they could have a basic knowledge on maths, because this generation children completely fail in maths. So we train them in such a way that they will be perfect in maths. So now let's see how our maths teacher is dealing with math drill. So come and let's check. Good morning, math.
Good morning. Today Monday math drill. Write each element has a multiplication problem. Now Umaida, come.
So as you can see, the basics, we start with the basics. Basically in any school you can't find this feature, which every school needs to implement this. So we have Monday math drill with basics starting from it. So you can see here the teacher has explained already, and the kid is very enthusiastic that she's coming and she's making sure that she's solving the problem. Going on like this in supervision of our maths teacher. She will be taking care of the math drill in such a way that the basics will be improved completely. The feature which you can't find in any other school, only you can find it only in our masterminds, the mastermind schools in Champapet. Let's go to the next part, which is very interesting in our masterminds Champapet branch, which is known as END, enrichment and enhancement. Basically, we separate the kid in warriors and achievers. Warriors are nothing but little bit, which are lagging with the basics. So we make them good with the basics, so that we make sure if we are giving a 5 answers, make sure that they are at least learning 2 answers and going home and showing to the parent and taking a signature, which will be maintaining a slip test, and even we maintain the marks. So now let's see how we are conducting in END. So as you can see, we have already given the target to the kids. They already have completed the target, and now they are going through their slip test, and you can see every kid is writing the test with a very dedication, which is a very good part in our school, especially in Mastermind Champapet branch. So this is our speciality in END. So I hope this is a very special and important in our school, which plays a major role for more kind of children to have active participation. So our next speciality is Science Adda. So you may be wondering what is Science Adda. So let me explain you what is Science Adda. So basically in every school there is only one day celebrated, that is known as Science Exhibition or Science Expo. Basically they do the experiments only at that time. So in our school what we do is not only higher students take place. So every Wednesday we make them do Science Adda, and where primary students involved with experiments, and they make sure that they do the experiments in a supervision of a science teacher. So now let's see how they are doing the Science Adda. So here you can see our science lab, and you can see our kid is trying to see something under the microscope which he is testing. Next, let me show you Harshavardhan of 4th class who is trying to explain the parts of things. And you can see here another kid who is trying to do the experiment, trying to do the chemicals part with the test tubes. And you can see another kid who is trying to mix some chemicals through the tunnel. So as you can see, the science atta is being done in the supervision of our teacher, science teacher. So basically, we make sure that all our kids, especially primary kids, are getting special care while doing the experiments. And this is a very important major role which plays in TMMS Champapet branch, because it is very important to everyone, not only higher students or even primary students have the scope to develop as a scientist, as a future scientist. So next, let's see master writer. So next our specialty is Focusy. So now you're wondering what is a Focusy. Focusy is nothing but IIT and NEET classes where we prepare our students for the future competitive exams. So let's see how the Focusy classes are going on.
So in this first one is cell, group of cells form a tissue, group of tissues form an organ, and then organ system, at last organism. So in this, see here, this is the organism, this is the human being.
So as you can see, the Focusy classes have been guided by our teacher, and even this is a special program in Mastermind Champapet branch, so that there is a future very deep scope for the students for their choosing their stream without any fear. Let's move to the next one, which is very important in everyone's life, because English plays a very crucial role in everyone's children's life, especially because if there is a strong foundation in writing, reading and speaking skills, then you can go on with English and anywhere you can survive in this generation. So what we go through is first is handwriting. So for handwriting, what we concentrate is every Tuesday we make sure we are conducting master writer. So in master writer, what we do, I'm going to show you. So as you can see, this class is a class which is going on with the master writer. So you can see they are concentrating, and you can see even they are drawing the lines and writing. In every school you can't see that even higher students, they won't draw lines. They will be writing blindly. So we take special care through this signature program so that they could write. So I will show you one example. So you can see here. This is now present handwriting, but before it was worse than ever. So you can see the before handwriting. So there is no proper space line, there is no proper full stops. You can't even make out what is there. Okay. So as you can see here. So now you can see how decorative she has done, and you can see the space lines. You can see that there is a proper lining in the writing. So this is known as our master writer, which is only taken place only in TMMS Mastermind Champapet branch. So now you saw our very important specialty, which is known as master writer, which plays a very important role in every student's life. So this is a major important in our Mastermind Champapet branch, which is a very successful program running in our right now branch. As we saw, there was master writer. So now you're wondering what signature program is this. So this is CLDP, which is known as Communicative Language Development Program. So first you have saw the master writer, which improves the handwriting of our students. So now let's see what is speed reader. Speed reader is nothing but we make sure where we guide them by telling them where to stop, where to use exclamatory mark, where to use a proper spacing while reading, because these generation students don't know how to read it properly because there is no proper guidance. So in our school TMMS Champapet branch, we have a special program where we guide the children not only while reading in English, even in a further different languages. But now let's see how the teacher is guiding the student while reading especially. Now see, now you can see that there is speed reader going on, and the teacher is guiding the student how to read with a proper spacing, exclamatory marks and full stops and commas.
This is a story from China. Hello.
So next is Skill Master, which is our unique program. So as we know, we are having the Skill Master, which is a magazine which is published by masterminds groups of schools. which is a very unique program where we have a very processing where we have a different kind where will be taken care by the teacher in a particular way so that there is a proper guidance, and this book is being given to the particular student if the proper reading is done through the magazine. Now let's see how the magazine reading is going on in our school.
Animal wonders, feathered friends. Birds can look very different from each other, but they all have wings, feathers and beaks, and they all lay eggs. They can't all fly.
So as you saw that there is a magazine reading in our school. It is not only monthly ones, it is weekly ones which we conduct on Thursdays. Every Thursdays is being conducted, and this magazine is being published every month, and so that we take care that our magazines have been taken care in a proper way and utilized in a proper way. So this is known as our magazine reading, which is known as skill mark. So next, our main feature and very important feature which we have in a Mastermind Chimpapet branch is Speaking Squad. So Speaking Squad is nothing but we elect a student through conducting a very important and a very interesting conversation which will be given through the CLDP module. In the CLDP module, the two students will be doing a conversation. So who will be doing the better conversation, they will be elected as a Speaking Squad, and we make sure the Speaking Squad is taking care of the whole class, that the whole class is speaking only in English. Even from the teachers we collect fines so that all the teachers have been only they speak only in English, and the fines are be collected only by the Speaking Squad. You can see that the two students are doing a conversation from CLDP module.
How can you help? Mr. Whiteness, please adopt some black shoes.
Yes. So as I showed you why our school is the best school and why you need to join your kid in our school, so the admissions are open. Kindly visit our branch, and our branch is located beside the registration office in Chimpapet. Kindly do visit our branch. I hope you love this video. Kindly do like, share, subscribe to our channel.